Hello everyone, good afternoon to all of you. Myself Dr. Naresh Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Dundigal, Hyderabad. Today in this lecture, I am going to discuss about the topic which are very most important, outcome-based education. Outcome-based education, according to this topic, there are several methods applied by the college and by the department. How the student can learn the topic easily. Which formula be applied in the class by the teacher that student can learn the topic. And our focused, according to outcome-based education, there is main focus to understand the topic by the student. So outcome-based education, OBE, means outcome-based education is student-centric teaching and learning methodology in which the course delivery, assessment and plan to the achieve stated objectives and outcomes. It focused on measuring student performance outcomes at the different level. So outcome based education is an educational model which focused on student learning from the program. It also focused on learning outcomes. Institute can bring changes to the curriculum by the dynamically adapting to stakeholder, student, parents, industry, personnel and recruiters. OB is all about outcomes and feedback. Time to time, college can change the curriculum according to industry, what industry wants. Okay, so according situation, the curriculum can be changed. National Board of Accreditation gives accreditation for higher education institutions in India. NBA, National Board of Accreditation, this is the full form of NBA, was established by AICT in 1994. NBA has full membership in the Washington Accord since 2011. Higher education institutions. There are two types of higher education institutions. One is Tier 1, other is Tier 2. In Tier 1, what is Tier 1? Tier 1 means those colleges or institutions and universities which are follows the rules and regulation of outcome-based education. Some colleges are those colleges which are not follows this system. OBE, outcome-based education system, not folloed by the college, that is known as a Tier 2. In Tier 1, all IITs, all NITs, central universities, state government universities and all autonomous colleges are belongs in Tier 1. Tier 2, all affiliated colleges of the universities. So in Tier 1 colleges are those colleges which are equivalent as well as in other countries. Suppose some standard college in America, they are adopting OBE system, and some colleges in India, they are also adopting OBE system. So both colleges at a same platform. They are at the same level. Our student goes to this side and those students come to this side. Traditional education What's OBE? Before some years ago, teachers are taking only class. There is no meaning that students are learning our topic or not. What in new sense, according OBE, the teacher understand that the topic is learned by the student or not. So in last years, there is only focused the teaching, deliver the lecture, not discuss about learning outcomes. What in these days, in OBE system, the main focus, what is learning outcomes by the student. After completing the program, what is student learn about the program? If the completing the course, then what is student understand about course outcomes? So OBE system or you educational system, this Bloom's taxonomy, Bloom's taxonomy. What is Bloom's taxonomy? Is considered as the global language for education. Global language means in all countries, in all world, some colleges which are using OBE, outcome based education, they are at the same platform. Same platform. It is frequently used teacher in writing to CO as it provide a ready-made structure and list of action of verb. So basically there are 6 levels in a OBE. First is remember. Remember means when students are taking in admission in program, in BTech program, student join the BTech program, then he remember some facts. They recall facts, basic concept of mathematics, concept of sciences, concept of some basic sciences. This is the remember. He comes in a program, then some facts are remembered already by the student. Next, second, understand. Understand the second level of the outcome based education, and then apply. Apply is third level. Analyze, evaluate and create. Create is the highest level of the OBE based education. So starting last 2 level, remember and understand, this is the lower cognitive level, and apply, analyze, evaluate and create. These are 4 levels which are higher cognitive level of outcome based education. Outcome based education, why OBE? What is necessary of OBE? More employable. This is very useful for more employable and innovative graduates for professional and soft skills, better visibility and reputation of the technical institution among the stakeholders. If we are using the outcome based education adapting in our college, then our college is same globalization, lie in same globalization, better visibility and reputation of the technical institution among the stakeholders, benefits of OBE for faculty. What is the benefits for the faculty from OBE? So teaching will become a fair, more creative and innovative career. No longer feel the pressure of having to be the source of all knowledge. Shape the thinking and vision of the student towards a course. All things are clear. Outcome based education is 4 level of outcome based. First is PEO, Program Educational Objectives, which is related by program. Which program adopting by the student? And program educational objectives. What are the program educational objective of the student? Next, PO, program outcomes. PSO, program specific outcomes. And at last level is course outcomes, COs, course outcomes. So POs and POs, these are connected to each other, and COs. There is a relation between all programs. Program educational objectives should be defined by the head of the department in the consultation with the faculty members, and PO are a promise by the department of the aspiring students about what they will achieve once they join the program. PEO are about the professional and career accomplishment after 4 to 5 years of the graduations. PEO can be written from different perspectives like career, technical competency, and behavior. PEO is technical terms as it will be read by prospective student who wants to join the program. Program outcomes. What is the program outcomes? A program outcomes is broad in scope and be able to do at the end of the program. POs are to be in line with the graduate attributes at specific in the Washington Accord. POs are, definition of POs are to be in one line with the graduates attributes at specified in the Washington Accord. POs are to be specified, measurable and achievable. NBA has defined 12 POs and it is common for all the institutions in India. Program specific outcomes. Program specific outcomes, PSOs, are a statement that describe what the graduates of a specific engineering program should be able to do. Outcome refers to the expectation course. Many teachers like a test to determine what a student has learned from the course syllabus. When writing outcomes, it is helpful to use verbs that are measurable or that describe an observable action. A verb that describes an observable action, a description of the conditions under which the action takes place. When given X, student will be able to. Next, course outcomes. CO1. Course outcomes, there are CO1, CO2, CO3, CO4, CO5 and CO6. Maximum 6 course outcomes are there. Each course CO related with each module. So there are 5 modules in a syllabus. So there is 5 COs or maximum 6 COs. We have taken here. Course outcomes and program outcomes, CO and PO. Course articulation, matrix mapping. How we can relate CO to PO? This is the matrix relation in between CO and PO. Course articulation matrix shows the educational relationship between CO and PO. Level of learning achieved. The matrix can be used for any course and to evaluate a course syllabus. So this is the table. First is understand PO. Writing CO and map CO to PO. Evaluate using description. Now PO1. In PO1 there is apply. Apply means that is outcome based education level 3. PO2, identify, formulate and review. So we can here apply the level L2, L6 and L2. Apply, identify means second level, understand. Formulate, level 6, creative, and review, L2, understand. PO3, there are design and develop of the problem. So develop means L3 means apply, L6 creative, and analyze, L4. Fourth level is analyze. PO4, analyze, interpret and design. So different level we are using in POs of outcome based learning. Method for articulation, how we can make a matrix between PO and PSO. So identify the key competencies of POs, PSOs to each CO and make a corresponding mapping table with assigning tick mark as the corresponding cell. One observation to be noted is that the first 5 POs are purely of technical. First 5 POs are purely technical in nature, while the other POs are in non-technical. PO1, PO2, PO3, PO4 and PO5. These are technical in nature. Other POs are non-technical. Justify each CO, PO and PSO mapping with a justification statement and recognized the number of the vital features mentioned in the justification statement that are matching with the given key attributes of assigning program outcomes. Use a combination of words found in the COs, POs and PSOs and course syllabus for writing the justification. Make a table with number of key competencies for CO and PO, PSO, mapping with reference to the maximum given key attributes for assessing program outcomes. I want to discuss here, suppose we are studying a mathematics. Any topic of mathematics we are teaching in class. It means we are using only formulae of mathematics here. So here I am taking only single element of PO1. There are 3 elements in PO1: mathematics, science, engineering, fundament. So if we are studying of only mathematics, then we are not using science formula and engineering fundamentals. We are using only mathematics. So here we are using only one competency of PO1 in CO. CO means we are reading any topic of mathematics. So CO1 and PO1. This is mapping with CO1 and PO1. Course articulation matrix with CO and PO mapping here. So here these are 12 PO and next 3 PSO. Program specific outcomes and program outcomes. Program outcomes are 12 and program specific outcomes are 3. So here competency of PO1 is 3 and CO1 I am using 3 here. So here is 100%. CO2 also 3 I am using here. CO4 I am here taking 3 competency of PO1. So according to this, I am 100% using competency of the POs in course outcomes. Then we have 100% getting the program outcomes here. These are the percentage to find out the level. What is correlation between CO and PO? How many correlate with CO and PO? So this is the basic. In 0, there is 0%. Then less than is 5%. Means 0 level. First level means 1 to 5. Less than 40. So 40 and 60, that is second level, and 60 to 100, that is third level. With the help, department understand how to better facilitate student learning. Advantage of assessing of a student. So will help this OBE system will help department understand how to better facilitate student learning. Will provide department with feedback. Are your service providing what they are supposed to want customer satisfaction? What skills are student learning? Will enable student to articulate what they are learning and have learned from attending the college inside and outside of the classroom. Will help student be able to explain what they can do and what they know. So these points are very helpful to understand the student, what student are understand here. Now here I want to discuss when we are teaching the subject mathematics, then how we can get the level of outcome based education. So suppose first outcome based education, first level of outcome based education. Outcome based education. So first level is remember. Remember is first level. So suppose here topic of CO is differential equation. Differential equation of first order and first degree. Okay. So when we are teaching the differential equation of first order and first degree to the student in class, it means first level already achieved by the student, learner. That is the level remember. So what remember? Students know about derivative or differential coefficient or and dependent and independent variables. These 3 points understand. Number 1, derivative. He already know about derivative. Number 2, dependent and independent variables. Dependent and independent variables. Independent variables. He understand about these topic. That is remember level. Second level is understand. Understand means he know what is differential equation. So linear differential equation. Discuss about linear differential equation. He understand about this differential equation in the CO. So what is differential equation here? dy dx plus py is equal to q. Okay. So here dy dx and plus 1 upon xy equal to x square. So here comparing this equation 1 and this 2, p is 1 upon x and q is x square. So now first is IF, integrating factor. This is formula of integrating factor p dx. Here apply integration p 1 upon x dx. This is e to the power log x, that is x. Here IF is x, integrating factor is x. Now solution formula. Solution formula. Here y into IF and integration into q into IF and into dx plus c. This is formula. So y into IF means y into x is equal to integration qx into x square dx plus c. So final result is yx is equal to x to the power 4y4 plus c. This is solution. This is the understand the topic. Okay. So when we are ready to understand the topic, before this topic, he have level first. First level is remember level. Remember level, he is understand about some idea of the topic. In our topic derivative present. So derivative understand by the learner. And dependent and independent variable also remember by the learner. So then he can understand if these results he remember, then he can understand about the linear differential equation. So what is linear differential equation? This is linear differential equation. I have solved one problem on this differential equation. Next, third level is apply. Third level, level 3 is apply. So what is application? Apply. So application of linear differential equation. Application of linear differential equation. Okay. Where the application of linear differential equation, that is level 3, apply level. So in Coulomb's law, we are applying linear differential equation of first order and first degree. So here rate in change in temperature of the body here d theta over dt. Theta is the temperature of the body which are putting in air medium whose temperature is theta naught. So theta d theta over dt, this is rate in change in body in time t here. Okay. Now theta is the temperature of the body and theta is the temperature of the body. And theta naught is temperature of medium. So now here d theta over dt, this is the proportional to minus theta naught. This equation 1. Rate in change in temperature of the body proportional to the negative of change in the temperature of the body and temperature in the medium. So we can write here d theta over dt. This is equal to minus k theta minus theta naught. So here we write here, this is variable separate, apply here. So d theta over theta minus theta naught, and here equal to minus k dt. So here we apply this result, integrating on both sides. So this is log theta minus theta naught and equal to minus kt plus here log c. C is an arbitrary constant. So here log theta minus theta naught, and this is theta minus theta naught, and plus here is log e to the power minus kt plus log c. So here this into here, this equal to here, this log c, this equal to. So here log of c into e to the power minus kt, and here is log theta minus theta naught. So theta minus theta naught equal to c e to the power minus kt, and here theta equal to theta naught plus c e to the power minus kt. Okay. So here variable separable method is applied here. Here apply variable separable method. Here apply variable separable method. Variable separable method. Okay. So here I want to discuss main our topic. I want to discuss what is remember level, what is understand level, what is apply level. When student understand some problem, it means level 1. Level 1 already have, means some facts about the problem he already know. Then he can understand the problem. And then that problem we can apply in next problem, that is apply level. Okay. So in this type we can use outcome based education in our teaching, and we can understand that how a student learn my topic. Our main focus is how to maximum learn outcomes by the student in the delivery the lecture. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.